There's a huge mistake that is hurting this small business's website. Can you guess what it is? Well, if you own a Mexican restaurant, you're not going to want to make this same mistake because it's going to limit your ability to get customers. Check it out. When I look for a Mexican restaurant in Breckenridge, there are a bunch of Mexican restaurants. Here are the three that come up. This one comes up third. What do people like to do? Click on the first couple. First thing that's happening, they have a 4.6 star review. This one has 4.8. They have around the same number of reviews. So in the maps results, it's that simple. They need to get more higher star reviews because they already have more reviews. That's good. But their reviews are 4.6. This one's 4.8. Not rocket science. That one's coming up second. This one's coming up third. That's going to go in order of choice. This one has 4.3 stars, but they have 2.4 thousand reviews. Big difference there, right? Between the numbers. So even though they have less, those things all influence coming up there. Here's what happens next though. They can't compensate for it with their website. So if you look, their website doesn't come up at all. Now, there's not that many Mexican restaurants in the town, as you can see. There's only a handful, and yet their website doesn't even come up. So if somebody just says, okay, I'll look at some pictures here, I want to go to their website and find out more about them before I choose, because people do a lot of research on the restaurants they go to. First of all, they hurt themselves in the maps. They're going to be the third one clicked. Next, their website doesn't come up here if someone just scrolls down and expects to click on the websites. So I'll show you why. Let me go over here to their website. A few things that are hurting their business. I like their layout of their menu here, but as I scroll down through this, and I like that they integrated their Instagram, or I think this is their Pinterest, it looks like, but check it out. You can't actually see the restaurant. So look, this main picture tells me nothing about the restaurant. None of these do, right? I can't actually see what it's going to be like in my dining experience, and that's what I care about. And then I scroll down and I've got the contact and I've got the location, but what do you notice about this homepage? There is no text on it to read. So from Google's perspective, there is not a good homepage that should rank here for Mexican restaurant Breckenridge, which is the only thing that they care about. They should be writing this all over the homepage. There should be sections here describing how they are a Mexican restaurant in Breckenridge, how long they've been in Breckenridge, what types of or style of Mexican foods they sell. So I know they have other pages, but it's your homepage that Google's going to look at and look for a title tag, description tag, and content on the page to help determine which search you should come up for. The main thing they want to come up for is Mexican restaurant Breckenridge. They love their website to be ranked here too, to give them an extra chance to get a customer, but they didn't put any text on the page that used that keyword Mexican restaurant Breckenridge. There's no text here saying it at all. So if I go into the data or into the code, let's look here real quick and see what I find. So yeah, the title is just their name, right? This should say Cantina Breckenridge Mexican Restaurant, right? That should be the title, and they should have a description that says the same thing. That's all they have to do. Add a paragraph of text and fix that title to match up with their name and then what they are exactly. Mexican restaurant in Breckenridge, right? Localized. That's going to help their website rank more in the website section. It's also better websites and more clear websites also help your Google business profile on top of getting those results. So that's what I see when I look at this Mexican restaurant's website, and exactly and immediately what I'd fix in a day that's going to help them get more customers and stop hurting them like it is right now with no website ranked and nothing there. Now, the reason I'm making this video, we make websites for small businesses. Mighty Local is the name, just 99 bucks a month. And that is for hosting, building the website, everything. Click on the link below, talk to our team. They're going to build you a professional website, and we're going to be there to give you award-winning customer support. Click on the link below, check us out. And we'd love to have a chance to talk to you about building a nice website for your business for 99 bucks a month. That's easy to manage, simple, straightforward, with a team based in upstate New York that's going to help you figure it all out. Talk to you in the next video.